Howdy, I'm Greg with ePoolSupply. Today we're going to be going over the Pentair OEM cartridge replacements for the Clean and Clear 320. So this is for your Clean and Clear cartridge filter 320. The part number for these OEM cartridges is 179134. When you pull these out of the box, something you're going to notice is that it does not say Pentair anywhere on the top or bottom of these, but these are the Pentair OEM replacements. Also, if we ship these to you, you'll notice we've cut open the box, put your paperwork inside, and then taped it back up. So this is the box they're going to come in. These are great replacements for the Pentair cartridge filter. One of the best things about them is they're budget friendly. These things aren't going to break the bank. They're good quality filter at a good price. And if you just go from having dirty, clogged up cartridges to installing some new clean ones, it's going to make all the world of difference in your swimming pool. So I'm Greg with ePoolSupply. Thanks for watching the video.
Hey guys, thanks for checking out ePoolSupply's YouTube channel. Hit that like and subscribe button down below, and we got new content coming out every single week. Come visit us in store or online at ePoolSupply.com. Thank you.